Hello everybody on YouTube. I'm about to open a window because I want to see if you guys can hear um, what's going on in my neck of the woods this morning. Now, I'm just going to stand here. Now, I've barely got my window open and the wind is enough to take your breath, but I just want to see if it's going to do what it normally does and rattle the tin on my trailer, because most people, when I tell them the winds that we get up in the part of North Carolina where I'm from, they don't have a tendency to believe me. So I'm going to try to capture some of this if I can. Yeah, this is the wind. It's crazy, y'all. And it is ice cold, too. I want y'all to know that. Like, the weather says it's 34 degrees. But, I believe it's colder than that. They're calling for snow today. And they're saying that it's going to be 19 degrees tonight. Oh, there's a little rumble, but you're not going to get much of it. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but it's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Now, this morning, we had a little bit of a storm, so we had ice coming down on the roof. So when anything hits a tin roof, it's really loud, and it sounds like a horde of elephants trying to trample across your roof. It's not going to rattle my tin, and I'm tired of freezing. So, but that's the wind. I hope you guys can hear that. It's crazy. I hope everybody's having a good day. But this is what it is in the mountains of North Carolina. And I'll tell y'all, 3 years ago, I wasn't accustomed to this. It was crazy. 3 years ago, you couldn't have convinced me that wind would get this rough. Because I'm an Alabama girl, and we just don't see winds like this very often. And when we do, it's because there's a tornado coming. So, this is just a winter day. That's all this is. So, anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. There's a little bit of a rumble again. I don't know how much my microphone's going to pick up, because all I have to work with, guys, is my iPhone and my earpods that came with my iPhone. So I don't have fancy professional equipment, so I do apologize. But I hope you can at least hear some of that, because it is very interesting. And I'm going to leave y'all with a little bit of wind gust, if it'll do it, because it just hit me full on in the face. So no, it's gonna not do it, because I want it to. Oh wait, there it goes. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm tired of freezing.